Have you ever wondered how Islamic banking differs from conventional banking? Well, today, we're diving into the fascinating world of Islamic finance, a system that offers a unique alternative to the conventional banking system we're all familiar with. Now, let's start by unraveling the fundamental principles of Islamic banking. At its core, Islamic banking operates on the principles of fairness, justice, and equity, all of which are grounded in Islamic law or Sharia. It aims to promote economic and social development, aligning with the ethics of Islam. First off, we have the concept of riba, or interest, which is strictly prohibited in Islamic banking. Yes, you heard it right, no interest. The idea here is that money is not a commodity to be traded or to profit from. Instead, Islamic finance is based on real assets and actual transactions, meaning that generating profit from money alone is not acceptable. Secondly, we have the principle of profit and loss sharing. This is a distinctive feature of Islamic banking where both the bank and the customer share in the profits and losses of a venture. This is a stark contrast to conventional banking where the bank is guaranteed a return irrespective of the venture's success or failure. The third principle is the prohibition of Gharar, or uncertainty. Islamic banking discourages transactions that are uncertain or ambiguous. Every aspect of a transaction must be clear and not hide any important details. This promotes transparency and reduces the risk of disputes. Lastly, there's the principle of halal, which means permissible. Islamic banking only supports industries and transactions that align with Islamic principles. For instance, it will not finance businesses involved in alcohol, gambling, or pork, as these are considered haram or forbidden. So, to recap, Islamic banking operates on several key principles. It prohibits interest, promotes profit and loss sharing, discourages uncertainty, and only supports transactions that are permissible under Islamic law. These principles make Islamic banking a system that aims not only at economic prosperity, but also at fairness and social justice. It's a banking system that goes beyond the realms of mere transactions and delves into the ethics of finance. This brief overview should give you a basic understanding of how Islamic banking operates. It's a unique system that offers an alternative perspective on banking and finance. So, the next time you're contemplating banking systems, remember there's more than just one way to manage your money.